Hey everybody, welcome back to It's Only Food with Chef John Politte. Today we are going to be showing you an awesome recipe for chicken and rice. Cue the music. Alright, well thanks again for watching. If this is your first time joining us, please do me a favor, head down to the corner there, hit that subscribe button, and then make sure you hit that notification bell to be notified each and every time I upload new content. Alright, like I said in the intro, we're going to be showing you how to make chicken and rice. This recipe has got a very special spot in my heart because this is what my wife makes. This is her recipe I'm doing. She's in the other room right now listening to make sure I do this right. But I do have the recipe right here on the 3x5 card in the laminated paper that came out of her recipe book, and we're going to do this exactly like it says. So here's our ingredients: 1 cup of white rice, or 1 small box of wild rice. So we're going to be using the white rice, as you can see. 1 can of cream of celery soup, 1 can of cream of chicken soup, 1 envelope of dry onion soup mix. That's not French onion, that's dry onion. 1/2 cup of milk, and then chicken breasts. I decided with 4 because you have to see what size the chicken breasts are before you can really make that judgment. It's really not in the recipe, but I figured 4 would work perfectly with this. So that's her recipe. We're going to show you how to do it. Let's get into the kitchen and start doing our prep. Alright, I've got our pan. Remember, big enough pan so you can stir all your ingredients without slopping over the sides. To begin with, our cream of celery soup. I'm just going to empty it right into the pan. I'm going to get every little bit out of there as I can, because we don't want to waste a bit. And we got our cream of chicken. We're going to add that. It comes right out of the can. Nice. Then you just want to add your 1/2 cup of milk right in there. And all you want to do is get it warm. You don't have to get it piping hot. You just want it to be nice and warm before you add the rice. Alright, it is starting to bubble. I'm just going to go ahead and add the rice right to this. We're going to stir that in as well. Turn off the heat. Then we're just going to take and add the soup mix with the milk and rice right in to a pan. And I chose the pan that I won't have to wash later. Alright, we got our 2 soups, our milk and our rice in here. I'm just going to take our chicken breasts in here, and we just throw them right on top, and we're just going to spread this all over the place as a topping. We're just going to cover this with foil and place it in to our 325 degree preheated oven, and we're going to set our buzzer for 2 hours. Alright, we pulled it out of the oven. I've got the chicken temped at 197. You can see it there. It's been in there for about 2 minutes, so that's probably why it's so high at 197, but it is done. So we're going to go ahead and plate this up, take some awesome photos of it for social media, throw those pictures into the timeline with some groovy music, and then we're going to come back and we're going to taste this. Enjoy the pictures and enjoy the music. Alright, here's that plate, very hot. I got some of this chicken on here. I just want to show you if we can get a close-up of that. Perfectly cooked. You get some of this rice. That rice is the best part of it as far as I'm concerned. Yeah, very succulent Very, it just smells fantastic. That soup mix in there, and then the two soups, the cream of celery and the cream of chicken. I'm a big fan of rice, and this just takes the rice, to me this just takes it to the next level. The combination of those two soups and then that third soup mix. The combination of those three soups. Try the chicken now. Very tender, very moist. Remember we covered that up with that foil to keep all that moisture in as it cooked. The rice didn't steal all that. It did help and go into the chicken as well to lock those flavors in, as well as some of that moisture. This is really, really good. This is why it's my favorite, and I'm always glad when she said she's gonna make this or when I come home from a long day at work and this is ready to go. It's simple and it's easy for her to do. She doesn't have to get to a whole lot of work. You can actually do it the day before because she works as well too. So hats off to my lovely and beautiful wife, Jana. Thanks a lot for letting me use this recipe and share it on my show. Everybody, thanks a lot for watching. Go ahead and hit that like button. Leave a comment down below. Tell us how you're doing. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't done so already, and then share this video with everyone that you know. We'll see you next time. Thanks for being here. Bye-bye.